morning, students. In this lecture, I am going to start a new chapter, students. Write down. Numerical integration and numerical solution of ordinary differential equation. Or students, numerical integration and numerical solution of ordinary differential equation. Now let us see first one, students. Numerical integration. Or students, numerical integration. We already known integration, students. We already known integration. Here we are applying numerical techniques. What, students? We are applying numerical techniques to evaluate the definite integration, students. What, students? Definite integration. Everybody known the definite integration form, students. What is definite integration form? Integral a to b f of x dx. Integral a to b f of x dx. Here we are applying numerical technique, students. So we need table values, students. We need table values. So we already know table, students, x and y. This is x0, x1 and so on, xn. This is y0, this is y1 and so on, this is yn. Yn, students. Now this table is equally spaced, students. What, students? Equally spaced. That means h value is same, student. Now what is h, students? What is h? H is equal to b minus a by n, students. What, students? H is equal to b minus a by n. What is b, students? What is b? Upper limit. What is a, students? Lower limit. Okay, students. Now what is n? n is number of interval, students. What, students? Number of intervals. Number of intervals. To understand this concept, I want to take one example, students. Integral 1 by 1 plus x dx. Say lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 6, students. Upper limit is 6. Now in the problem given 6 subintervals. What, students? 6 subintervals. 6 subintervals. Okay, 6 subintervals means we need to find first h value, students. What is h here? B minus a by n. What is b, students, here? B is 6 minus a is 0 by how many intervals, students? Number of intervals? 6 here, 6. So 6 by 6 we get 1 here, students. Now we can draw tables here, sir, like this. 0 starting point. We are adding 1, students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, students. Okay, students. In this way we construct a table, students. In this way we construct a tables. Or sometimes he given the h value directly, students. H is equal to 2 or h is equal to 3 or h is equal to 1. He give directly, students. Okay, students. Then we split the interval, students, from 0 to 6. Say like this: 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we given h is equal to, students, h is equal to 0 to 2, 4, 6. Like this, students. Like this. Now to evaluate such type of integrations, or students, to evaluate such type of integration, we have different methods, students, different formulas. The formulas are here. First one is trapezoidal rule. What, students? Trapezoidal rule. Second one, Simpson 1/3 rule. Simpson 1/3 rule. And Simpson 3/8 rule. Or, students? Simpson 3/8 rule. And fourth one, Wedel's rule. But in our syllabus we have only first 3, students. What are they? Trapezoidal rule, Simpson 1/3 rule, and Simpson 3 by 8th rule. Simpson 3 by 8th rule. By applying these methods, we can evaluate this definite integration. Okay students, this is about numerical integration. Numerical integration. In the next what is our topic students? Numerical solution of ordinary differential equation. Numerical solution of ordinary differential equation. Generally we know students, what is differential equation form here? dy by dx, that is equal to f of xy. Here given y at x0 is equal to y0 students. We are solve this type of equation students. To solve such type of equations, we have different methods students. First one is Taylor's method, Picard's method, Euler's method, and the fourth one is RK method. This is Runge-Kutta method. Once again students, what is second part students? Numerical solution of ordinary differential equation. The ordinary differential equation form here dy by dx, that is equal to f of xy at y. He given some conditions students, y at x0 is equal to y0. Okay students, to solve such type of ordinary differential equation, okay students, we have certain methods. What are the methods students? Taylor's method, Picard's method, Euler's method, and RK method. Okay students, this is about a brief concept of numerical integration and numerical solution of ordinary differential equation. In the next class, I am going to discuss a trapezoidal rule, Simpson rule, and 3 by 8 rule formula students. Okay students, thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.